Wow, hello everyone, and you're so much welcome to today's tutorial. And I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor. Especially I want to welcome my channel for the first time. This is Jibbyfemforte, and all we do is make shoemaking easy for you. Now today I'm going to be showing us how to create this heel pattern. Now if you look at it, we have love shape in different forms, but there's actually a uniqueness to this. Sit back and I'll be right back. So for me, I just decided to cut a square shape that has 6 cm width. So all of the sides are 6 cm. So I folded it like this. Then folded it this way again. So like I have already divided it into 4, I now folded it this way again. So you can see what mine now look like. Yes, for those who have been following me, I've been telling us about my weekend shoemaking class. These are actually some of the things we actually created the last weekend. This week is the second weekend for the month of November. What we do there is we pick a particular design, walk it through from pattern cutting till we finally go to bottoming. So if you would like to join our weekend class, it's a free class but with a commitment fee. Let me know in the comment section and I will guide you on it. So after folding this way, now if you look at this one, you see that it's opening right here. Even if you open it as in fully, you will find out that it already has 4 compartments, which is this and this. But that's not where we are actually going. So you can see this side is opening. We are not going to do anything, of course, to this. So we are going to hold it this other way around. This is the side that is opening. So I'm going to create like a curve here just to form my curve shape. This was the way I did mine. I'm just trying to show you what I did. So try to create a curve. So I just try to create a curve there. So I'm going to try. You can see what I have right here. Let's see, you see that it's almost forming that love shape, but I think I didn't curve that side very well. This side has to go in more. So I'm just going to So with this, you can see we already have like a love shape right here. So I'm going to just open it up. Because the way it is now, we can easily interlock 4 of the love at the same. We can interlock 4 love. So I'm going to cut this way. So you can see what I'm having. Now you can see me having all of this. So this now I'm going to place them on a carton like this. Because of course, if you look at it, you'll find out that the folded part of that design is not showing yet. So I'm just going to, glue this down here. So this is what it looks like now. So on this other side, definitely we need that one that will be folding all around it. That part that is sticking together all around. So I just decided to actually use my hand to create like a semicircle on this side. I know that normally we are supposed to use like a protractor, a compass rather. to actually do this, you understand, just to create this side. So I'm going to just try as much as possible to create a curve. So I now created that on that side. So I will just cut this one and then take it to that other side, so that I will know where to actually place it when I get there. So I'm going to fold this. I'm going to fold this properly to meet this other side. So now you can see what I have. And I folded this side, folded this other side as well. Now I now did the arrangements. Let me show you what my own arrangement looks like. It's quite funny actually, but it's just an interesting thing. So I actually cut them in different sizes. This one has smaller ones, this one has small ones. You can actually adjust all of the sizes as far as I'm concerned. So for the first, I arranged it this way. One was like this, the other like this, then the third one was like this. Now the one on this particular side is like this. Can you see that? That's the one on this side is like this. You know, understand, all of them can come together. They can all come together because I cut it out of, you know, that square shape. You understand? That's the reason they can come together, all of them. That's why the fourth one can be joined to it. You understand? So the next one, this was what they did. The next one, they inserted it under. So they were able to place another one here. Like I said, this one went under this one. Went under it, you know, it's still allowing all of them to still stay together. Then this one was able to come to this side, so any other one can also still come to this particular side, and on and on and on. So the process continued. What happened at this middle continued like that. This was actually the way I created mine. You understand it? So I just wanted to share with you how I did mine.